All right, we're going to go into some geometry. Should be good stuff. We're going to look at angles and how to classify angles, name angles, things like that. So let's start with a problem right away. Show you how to classify an angle. So here's an angle. And there are three different ways that we can name this angle. One way is just to name it angle T. Angle T. That's one way to name it. And you see this little funny guy I'm putting in front of it? Kind of looks like a less than symbol. It's actually the angle symbol. So this is angle T. It's a shorthand for angle. I can also name it by going angle VTU. VTU. As if I'm just tracing or connecting the points V to T to U. Or I could do it in the opposite direction as U, T, V. U, T, V. And those are the three ways that I can classify that angle. Now, I know this first way seems the easiest. We're going to be using the second way because sometimes we've got a whole bunch of angles going on. Like, what about if I had a ray coming off like this? Now I couldn't just call this T. I'd have to call it like U, T, W. That way I have to have 3 points to classify it. Types of angles. An acute angle. An acute angle has a measurement of less than 90 degrees. So less than 90. Less than, and you can't read that. Let's come down here. Less than 90 degrees. And one way to remember that is the word cute. Oh, look at it. It's a cute little baby angle. Just a little baby angle. Yeah? Acute. It's a little angle. It's less than 90. A right angle is 90 degrees. And we'll put a little square there. That represents a 90-degree right angle. So 90-degree angle is a right angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. And a straight angle, ready for this one? Is 180 degrees. It's a straight line. All right, and now let's keep going with this. We're going to do measure angles. We measure angles with what's called a protractor. So here's my protractor. And I have some printouts down here. So we're going to use protractors to measure angles. And angles are measured in degrees. Did I put too many E's on that? Degrees? Oh, man. And we use a little, like 80, 90 degrees. This little circle indicates degrees. So let's measure an angle. So what is the measurement of this angle? It's a little angle. Can you see that? Let me zoom in on that for you a little bit. See, what would that be? So that's how I would do it. I would put my protractor right on top of this angle. I go and I measure it, and it says that it is 20 degrees. It's 10, 20 degrees right there, 20 degrees. Let's measure another one. Oh, okay, what's going on with this angle? Let's see. From here to there, what's that? That's 10 degrees. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. From there to there is 60. Now let's measure it with my protractor. So I'm going to line it up like this. My protractor on there. And this is coming out. Yep, right there. There it is. It's at 60 degrees. Well, it's not quite. Well, it's close enough. Right there. Do you see it? 60 degrees. All right, that's it for that one. Bye-bye.